Hi there, welcome to a RabbitMath tutorial on using Desmos. Today we're going to be looking at how to take data and put it into a table on Desmos and then graph it, and how to make a line of best fit. So first of all, getting your data into a table can be done in two ways. First of all, you can click on the Add Item icon in the left corner, then click Table. Then in this first cell, a table will appear. Desmos will automatically give you an X1 and a Y1. It's important to leave those as is to be able to make the line of best fit later. So I'm going to be using some data from our grade 11 curriculum least squares example, but any of your data will work. And then you put in the Y coordinates. As you can see, as I was putting in the corresponding Y values, Desmos automatically starts to graph it, and it sets an appropriate axes. From there, the other way to get your data into Desmos is through copy and pasting it from any spreadsheet. So I have the data also here in Excel. So you just, both cells with the X and Y, just click copy. And in a new cell, without clicking the table, you just paste it straight into there, and Desmos will automatically put it up. As you can see, it's exactly the same. So I'm just going to delete this for now. Making a line of best fit can be done, well, we have two types of lines of best fit, one that passes through the origin and one that does not. And I will show you how to do both. As you know, the equation of a line is as follows: y equals mx plus b. We're going to use this equation to let Desmos do all the work for us. So instead of this, you're going to write y1 tilde mx1 plus b. So the reason we have y1 and x1 is because up here in your table, these values are y1 and x1. And so Desmos recognizes that when you have Y1, it's looking at these data points. And you add B here to be able to make it go up on the Y axis. And this will be a line of best fit that goes straight through the data. To make one that does not, that passes through the origin, you'll do Y1 tilde MX1, just like that. So now we don't have a vertical shift, and it just goes straight through the origin. Now, if you wanted to add a second set of data on here, so let's say you wanted the difference between these values, what you have to do is make a new table. You cannot add another line here. So I already have that on Excel. So what I've done here is just taken all the old Y values become the new X values, and the new Y values are the difference between each old X value. So I'm just going to copy this, and I will get rid of these so it's a little bit more clear, and I'm putting it. So now, as you can see, we've got X3 and Y3. So when we make a line of best fit, we have to do Y3 tilde MX3 plus B. And we've got a line of best fit that doesn't pass through the origin. If you wanted it to pass through the origin, again, you just take out the B. And finally, for labeling your axes, you're just going to click on the wrench in the top right-hand corner. And where it has the scales for the x-axis and y-axis, you'll see add label. So let's say the x-axis is time and the y-axis is population. Desmos will automatically put the axes label in the corner, and as you move the graph around, it stays in the corner. I don't like it so much there because I find it's harder to take screenshots of it. So if right after typing it, you put space bars and just continue to click space, time will move off into the middle. And the same thing with population, and you just click space until it's at the place you want it. And now we have a beautiful graph. Thank you so much.